So hi Sourceboxians, how are you doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm your host Shaurya, and this is our Windows 11. And now let's move to our intro. So this week you were waiting for me to make Windows 11 new video because Windows 11 has been reached to many users by leaking their builds, and plus Microsoft has today announced Windows 11 preview, and now we are having this Windows 11 preview on 30th June, I think so. There we got, and I'm uploading this video late because there were many updates, and now we are here with Windows 11, the best OS with the best experience of the users. And I say you, it is better than Linux when the main public build would be available, which you all can download. But this is insider preview, and this insider preview is updated really very much. And now in this video I will tell you about how you will get this Windows 11 preview build and how you will work out. Even this is really some big bugs, but all I have to say, better than Windows 10. You are heads off from the Windows 10, and now we have Windows 11 because it is not easy to make OS in small amount of year, but Microsoft have their reputation to make a great OSs, and so now we have Windows 11, and that is why I'm excited to make this video real fast as possible. And now we have this video, and so now let's continue. So this is our Windows 11, and I have to tell you that this is the best OS I've ever used. It's the same line I'm repeating. Oh no, what I'm saying. Sorry. I read the script wrong. And so now we are here with Windows 11, and this is our preview edition. So now let's see how cool it is. This is the really cool and beautiful, I should say, wallpaper. And now we have this a really great animations and the centered Windows 11 the taskbar, and this is really cool. The animations are really cool, and this whole roundy, I should say, roundy applications are really good. You can see there these curves make them more beautiful and even more cuter. So now you can see this. If I click this Windows 11, you would see this a really cool animation, and so see this how cool they have made the start bar. And if I go to all apps, I should say wonderful. Even it takes lots of area of the size of the screen rather than Windows 10, which was taking short, but this is a much cleaner. And so you were all waiting to see the new search bar, but it is the same, I should say. And two main big things. This is widgets. If you have seen my old videos, in one video which is linked above here, I told you, all of you guys, that there is temperature bar they have made in this new Windows. And so see, you can they have made much cleaner with widgets. So we have now here this home button, and if I go to new desktop, they also have new desktop, and I can also rename it and change its background separately. If I name it code and change its background as red, so it's really simple. I would just do Control plus Window plus left key, I would be here and I would be back here. So they are made really simpler, and I say you, this is the best thing. I loved it. And you were also waiting for to see the Microsoft Store new update, and I say you, this is much better than App Store on the MacBook. You can see this, it is much cleaner. And but even though these apps are so ugly, but in I am telling you, Windows has partnership with Amazon. So when you will get in the public build, they would be having Android apps running as native on the Windows 11. What I mean by native, it means like you are using on Android phone, so you can use like TikTok on Windows 11. So it would be really great. And if I type here Blender, even this is sometimes really slow or sometimes error shows, but I should say better. I loved it. So now here you can see this, they have also changed it really very much. Now big thing, if I go to this Windows terminal, they have updated. Why they have updated, you can see this to ensure that every user get a beautiful terminal too, even though it is not default set one, but you can go and check out. And my most favorite is the settings. So if I go to settings, you can change your background from like black to white, and from, see, now it is bugging, it is not going to black, it takes time, but I choose to black because I love that background. So see this, sometimes it hangs on because it is inside the web, you can see. So you can see this, they even have made game mode to optimize your PC. And gamers, you have great news, because if you have 1 TB SSD and RTX series of graphic card or AMD etc, AMD high level graphic card, you would have direct resume play with Xbox Game Pass. So what it means, like if you started any game from Xbox Game Bar, from any game you have started, the game would be resumed from where you have stopped. So it does not make the game to show you again splash screen etc. And gamers, one more great news, Windows 11 is really much optimized for gaming more than Windows 10, because they have done auto HDR for monitors, and they have been enhancing the graphics quality without performing the downgraded versions of your CPU. So it means even your CPU is, or I should say graphics card is not that much good, but you have decent monitor which with HDR enabled, you would get auto HDR in the game. So like it has been boosting your experience, and it is the perfect thing. So now we here come with how you will apply for Windows 11 update. So if you go to settings on Windows 10, then Windows update, and click here Windows inside the program, so you would get that, but you have to apply for that first. And so why I love this was this animations, and plus if I say you see this you are seeing now this file explorer, the title bar is really great, and I say you, this is really likable, and everyone, most of you would like it. So here we go, this is our PC, and the logos are same as my previous video as I told you, but this network icon has been changed, and plus I should say documents etc, they have also enabled like this preview for showing you much better content. And plus the one feature you were always asking me again and again and searching for YouTube, this is snaps, introducing you Windows snaps. So if I click this, and this, you can see this how great it is. So now for this I should leave it, and by default Windows has applied large icons, so it is easier to preview. And if you have downloaded Quick Look from Microsoft Store, you can just press spacebar and see every photo, like if they were reality, even the text ones. So and also the UI, I should say, is really much more defined and beautiful. And you can see this empty bin, and see this, the new Windows error, or I should say the main message logo. And if I click yes, the animations are super cool. And one thing you all are forgetting, but I don't, these layouts, the calendar has been really great. I should say it has been really greatly designed, and I should congratulate Microsoft teams that they have made a really beautiful calendar. Like, I have never seen this type of calendar even on Ubuntu Budgie, because Microsoft is a big company and their OSs are beautiful. So you can see this, how cool have they made. If I go to Wi-Fi, I just love it. This is, I don't know, this is really satisfactory. If I click here to connect, see the small animation you might have been noticed, and now it's been searching for cast, so it is also that much great. And one thing I have to tell you, that when the public version will come, you will also get MS Teams 2.0. Yes, you will be getting MS Teams 2.0, which would be really greatly designed, and I should say better designed than previous one, because this one MS Teams I have here, I just hate it. I don't know. And one thing is Skype. I don't know why they made Skype, but okay, it's okay. I shouldn't say this is worst purchase, but anyway, it is great. So now if I open this touch keyboard, the previous I should say OS or Windows 10 did not have this accent color on the touch keyboard, but this have. And did you hear that noise? Yes, it is beautiful. That is error noise. Yes, and do you know, when you start Windows 10, you get a really cool sound, and it is also amazing. And a great thing is that the Windows 10 browser, I should say MS Edge, has also been redesigning in the Microsoft centers, and so you will also get new update for Windows 10 update for the MS Edge. So when my YouTube reloads, you can see the YouTube's black theme has been also did. Before leaving this video, I will suggest you just go and subscribe to my channel, because I need your help to make such a great content. And if you like my projects and my video, just go below my description and buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day.